And I'm probably just looking all around this camera because to me, the front part of the camera is over here, but yet I be looking over here because that's where the stop button is at. I don't know. I just be doing a lot. Y'all have to forgive me. Hey, what's up y'all? It's your girl TheKeyisME and I am back again with another video. In this video, I am going to be showing you these crochet braids that I have in. Yeah, so please disregard that little piece that was messed up in the whole entire video. Again, if you don't like frizz, then you're not gonna like this hair, so go ahead and click off the video. As you can see, I moved into my own place, and it's kind of weird sitting in front of this big old window with a whole bunch of people that be riding by and probably be thinking that I'm crazy for talking to a camera through the window. But I'm just so happy to be showing you all these crochet braids that I have in. Y'all, I am loving these braids. I am loving how natural they look. I mean, just look at it. Just getting back from vacation, I was in Colombia, the country, in South America, and it was absolutely beautiful. You should definitely add it to your list if it isn't already on your list. And when I was over there, I didn't even really take care of my crochet hair. I didn't sleep with a bonnet on. I didn't add anything to it. And for it to look like this almost, what, a week and a half later, y'all, it looks so good. And please forgive me, I forgot to record a video when after I first installed the hair. I kind of got distracted. But this hair that I have in, and it is crazy because I bought this hair maybe like a year ago and I never put it in. I always wanted to, but I just had so many other styles that I was doing. I purchased 4 packs. So I purchased 4 packs of the hair in the color 1B. The hair is Outre Xpressions. Yes, it's Outre Xpressions. The style is for a kinky loop. Now in one of the packs I did get a color 1B/30 or 33, but I didn't, when I ordered it, I didn't know that it was going to be the way that it was. So instead of it being a mixture of 1B and 30 or 33, it was a bunch of black and then a bunch of brown color. I thought it would be like an actual mixture with the hair in the color at the same time, but it wasn't. So I didn't like that, so I didn't go ahead and put the color hair in my hair. In each pack you're going to get 15 of the loops. The loops do come with 4 strands of hair in it, so you're going to get 1 loop with 4 strands of hair, so you get 15 loops times 4. Go ahead and insert what my braiding pattern look like. I believe I have 10 braids going straight back, and then in the back I did, so half of my head, it has 10 braids going straight back, and then when I got to the back, I did the braids bigger. So that is my braiding pattern for that. I do have a side part right here, as you can see. I didn't connect the braids or anything. Actually, yes, I did. I connected the braids here to make a stop, but from here to here, it just keep going back. This hair is $4.99 a pack. I did purchase this hair. I believe I purchased this hair from samsbeauty.com. They're not sponsoring this video. I purchased this hair from samsbeauty.com. It was $4.99 a pack. So I only used 4 packs of hair. Actually, I didn't use all 4 because again, that last pack that I brought had some brown pieces in it that I didn't get to use. So that's maybe like 5 or 6 loops that I didn't get to put in my head, which I probably needed it. But honestly, you guys, 4 packs, that's it. You don't need no more than 4 packs. As you can see how thick this is, and it gets bigger if I was to continuously run my hands through it and open the curls up. So I don't know how people be putting more than 4 packs of hair when it comes to texture like this, but listen, y'all, don't be walking around with a whole bunch of hair on your head if you don't have to. You're $4.99 times 4 packs of hair, that's less than $20 that you can get a style like this. I love the frizz look. I did, when I put it in, I took my hands and ran my hands through it a little bit to give it a little bit of frizz. I mean, it's crochet, it's synthetic hair, and it's so cheap. Like, I honestly am gonna go buy some more of this hair because this is gonna be my go-to style when I don't feel like doing my hair or I don't know what to do to my hair. This is going to be my style for it. So I have 5 of these links left. So this is what I was talking about when I thought it was gonna be like a mixture of 1B in the color, and it wasn't. Like, how would that look just sitting on my head like that? Like, They should have rethought that over before they did that. But anyways, so basically like I was saying before, this looped, and as you can see, there's kind of like a band on the loop. What I did was I went ahead and I pulled it all the way through. So I pulled that little loop that was that little tie that's on the loop. I pulled that off. I don't know if you can really see that, but that's it right there. It's looped, and you have 4 strands on each side. Those 4 strands on each side. And what I did was in the back, I did put the whole thing in the back like this. So I took the little piece off, I put the whole thing in the back, stuck my needle through, stuck the crochet on the latch hook, closed the latch, tied it once. That's it. You don't even need to tie it twice, to be honest, because this hair, the texture of the hair is gonna sit. So I did do that. And then what I did in the front and in the middle, because I just did that for the back, in the front and in the middle, I just took you see how easily this comes apart? Like, you barely have anything. Look how easily this comes apart. I love it. I love that the 4 strands are already separated. So here's 1, here's 1, here's 2, and then in the middle, I did sometimes put 2 in there. If I didn't separate it in between individual pieces, I did separate it with 2 pieces in the middle and in the front. So the 2 pieces or the individual pieces, but for the front, all individual pieces. And this is how I stretch the hair to only using 4 packs. My back is not as full as my front is, but it gave me that fullness to where I wasn't full. Like, as you can see how it's cuffed, it's light, then it gets full, and then it gets fuller at the top. And I'm gonna spin around for you to see. So you wanna definitely make sure that you're spacing it out. So what I did for the first pack, I went ahead and put the first pack throughout the back of my hair. After I was done with the first pack, I took the second pack and started working on the front part of my hair so that I wouldn't run out of hair. So that's something that you definitely wanna take into consideration if you wanna do it that way, because I think when we're doing our hair, because we start from the back to the front, we're putting too much hair in the back, so that when we get to the front, we're wanting to add all the rest of this hair, when in reality, you didn't need as much as you put in the back from the beginning. So that's something that I definitely started taking into consideration when I started doing more crochet braids. It's not using all of your hair in the back. Trust me, you don't use all your hair in the back. It doesn't take you 7 packs of hair to do this look. 4 packs makes it look a little bit more natural. I've actually had people think that this was actually my real hair. I like to think that it's my real hair, but we ain't gonna go there right now. I absolutely love this hair. Again, I didn't put anything on it. No oil, no mousse, no nothing. I don't think that you wouldn't have a problem with swimming with this hair. I just think that if you do decide to get this hair wet, don't run your hands through it. Just let it get wet and don't run your hands through it. I did get rain. It did rain while I was in Colombia, and as you can see, this is still how it looked, and my hair did get wet, and it still looks good. It still feels, it's not soft like it was when I first took it out the pack. That may be because I haven't been sleeping with the bonnet and it got a little bit more frizzier. That could be the cause for it. But other than that, I mean, you can't beat a hairstyle that you can do yourself in the comfort of your home for $20, and it lasts for 4 weeks. I think that is my mission when it comes to crochet. I'm trying to help y'all out here save these coins. I mean, everybody ain't out here balling trying to pay people hundreds of dollars to do their hair, because I'm gonna tell you now, I haven't sat down for nobody to do my hair in years, besides when I got that silk press. So with that being said, I know, like, crochet is literally saving my life. I can't wait to purchase some more of this hair, because got me feeling myself. So again, I'm gonna put all of the information down in the description box for the hair, how many packs I use, the color that I use. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Also, I just want y'all to forgive me. I hit 30,000. I really don't think that I'm gonna do another giveaway anytime soon, only because I just moved. I really hope that y'all understand. I moved out of my parents' house, so it's really like I'm out here in the real world trying to get it, and I probably won't do another giveaway until I get to 50K. But I just reached 34,000 subscribers, and I just thank you all so much from the bottom of my heart. I just thank you all that you just see so much in me to make you want to subscribe to see more. So thank you so much. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.